Earn money with typing. What if I told you that money making can be simple and straightforward? Well, I know most of you won't believe me on this, but in some cases it is true. There are websites that want some basic skills, and that too with minimal efforts. And there we go. As well as earning money, you get to enjoy a lot of additional benefits as well. Here's what you need to know about how it works. And you do not have to worry that these aren't just scams or fakes. It is because people think that websites like these are only made for the purpose of committing fraud. But don't be scared, because the one I am going to tell you is a legit website that can offer you thousands of dollars in your wallet. Many have already witnessed it. So if you want to earn some good money, then watch this video carefully till the end, because if you skip the important part, then you skip the money. Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Wealth. Hit the like and subscribe button with the cash bundle that you're going to earn after watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to press that bell icon because money never rings the bell, but we do. But that being said, let's get into it. Well, there are some techniques that make money making simple, and one of them is definitely freelancing. Here I will be discussing about a website called HireSign. HireSign is a website that connects thousands of freelancers and people who are looking for skilled people for their small projects. It encourages online workers who possess basic computing skills to come on board and make use of those skills. Through HireSign, freelancers from all age groups are earning handsome amounts of money. Many people think that freelancers don't get work easily, but it is not so. At HireSign, freelancers get loads of working opportunities and valuable clients. So what are the things required before applying to HireSign's portal? Well, first off, a personal computer. You must have your own computer equipment. Either a Windows or Mac system is acceptable, as long as it has a current operating system, one that is still supported by the operating system provider, Microsoft, Apple, etc. Next is to be a good human being. In order to address the security requirements of HireSign's clients, each applicant must sign a release permitting them to perform a background investigation. You will not be asked to sign a release until they contact you directly. Next is an internet connection. As much of HireSign's entry work will be performed over the internet, all freelancers will be required to have a high-speed broadband connection provided by a major cable or satellite provider in order to perform their work. Before knowing the steps to apply for a typing job, let's talk about the basic skills that an individual should have. As a freelancer, he should be able to use the basic computer programs and tools within the shortest possible time frame. And as an individual is choosing typing as his main job, he should have demonstrative superlative typing skills with a minimum error percentage. Now let's have a look at how we can apply for a job on this amazing website. Well, the process to apply for work on HireSign is quite easy. It includes 3 simple steps. Number 1. Reviewing the hiring process. When you log into this website, you can pick the kind of work you'd like to do from the current openings. To start your career with HireSign first, visit the current openings page. This page comprises all the available jobs rightly, since we regularly update it with new jobs, and remove categories which are no longer vacant. In our case, no doubt, we are going to choose a typist. There may be 1 or 2 job categories in which you find yourself capable of performing with quality. Just read out all the details, terms, payment modes, and sample work formalities, which are described alongside it. Number 2. Submitting job application. This step involves submitting the job application and sending it via an email service. As a minimum age requirement, you must be at least 16 years old. In general, it takes between 10 and 15 minutes for the first time you complete your first application. Your next application will take less time since the system will save some of your application information. Please keep in mind that you cannot change your application after it has been submitted, so please make sure that everything you have entered is correct before you hit submit. Now, number 3, submitting sample work. After examining your job application, HireSign's recruitment panel may ask you to complete a sample project as part of the recruitment process. The project should be completed in a predetermined time frame and submitted via email or at a link given by the project owner. Afterwards, you'll get a quick training session. Afterwards, you'll receive your earnings through PayPal and a few other payment methods. Just 3 simple steps. Pretty simple, right? The work provided on this website does not seem too complicated. You only have to make a few efforts. The online typing job can only be executed when you are connected to the internet at the time. You do not have to download any project onto the hard drive of your own computer in order to get started. On HireSign's server, all the required typing tools and work will be available for your use. But a question might be tickling you. What type of typing job is this? Well, in general, a successful typist is responsible for giving info from paper to digital formats. gathering and organizing typing material, typing company documents and materials, including reports, correspondence, and policies, and creating spreadsheets and presentations, mixing and matching various data from existing files. So, if you are a fast and accurate typist and can correct grammar, spelling, punctuation, and other errors on documents under tight deadlines, then you are in luck. This is a very good opportunity for you. Now let's know about the verified payment system of HireSign, or say how money flows from its clients to you. At first, the freelancer receives a project and at the same time, the client deposits the money to HireSign. This is called a verified system because the client cannot do any fraudulent practices and thus submits the money first. Once the project gets worked out, freelancers upload back the completed project. After that, HireSign approves the project whether it's done right or not. After this step, the money is credited to the freelancer's account, and he redeems it. In general, a competitive pay of $4 for 2,000 words or one page is given. There is no doubt that a great deal of money can be earned through this, and along with this, there are several other benefits associated with freelancing using HireSign. Here is a long list of them. First of all, simple projects can be done at home. All job categories are designed in such a way that each project you get from a client can be furnished and completed from remote locations. In other words, as a freelancer, you don't need to visit the client's premises or office. You can work out everything from your own location. In doing so, you will be able to have the time to take care of your family and loved ones while earning at the same time. There is nothing you need to worry about other than your projects will be submitted in the promised span of time. This also increases your rating and payout rates for future projects. And other than that, since dirty office politics creates stress and distractions at work, so at home, you are in a safe environment and do not have to deal with any interruptions as you have shielded yourself against the outside world. Furthermore, freelancers get better incentives. So by working at home, you save on many hidden costs: office setup, business travel, formal office clothes, etc. Fewer expenses, more money. Also, you have an easier time eating healthier and having more time to spend with your family. It can help you feel less stressed, happier, and more productive. And one of the biggest advantages of working from home is that you are the key person who will manage when you work and when you have personal time. If your mornings are too busy, you are free to work at night. Moreover, you can use HireSign's desktop app to track progress, monitor hours, communicate, and share. And along with that, you can be aware of what's happening on your project, what's getting done, and what's still to be done. And on top of that, you can use its mobile app for easy on-the-go messaging. Through this, you can stay in touch with your client whenever you have questions, updates, or have something to share. You can control the completion of projects and payments. But you will only release payments when benchmarks are met, or when the project has been completed to your satisfaction. The offline typing jobs are also available on this website. Thus, users who are more comfortable in public working or say office environments can go for it. The steps are similar to online typing. So guys, that's it for the day. If you haven't already, like the video and turn on notifications to be notified as soon as we post. It would be greatly appreciated if you share this video as much as possible and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video from us. If you have any thoughts or suggestions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.